welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making one of my favorite soup. This is creamy pumpkin soup. It's really delicious and very simple to make. I just want to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for the love and the support. I really appreciate it. If you like my videos, please remember to watch the ads because it helps a lot. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add a little butter. You can use olive oil, you can use vegetable oil, whichever one you choose, but the butter gives it a nice pop. All right. So I'm just gonna add some garlic. And I have some thyme here. You want to make sure you remove it from the stem. You can use thyme or rosemary, whichever one works. So all of this give it nice flavor, very nice flavor. You just saute those. Smells really good. So to this, I'll be adding 2 vegetable cubes. Really gives it nice flavor as well. You can also add some black pepper. I won't be adding any black pepper to this. That's optional. And the cubes is very salty. So I also will not add more salt to this. If you don't have the cubes, you can go ahead and add your salt. Here I have some pumpkin. I'm gonna add this as well. We're just going to combine everything together. So now I'm just going to add some hot water to it. We're just going to boil the pumpkin until it's soft. We just cover our pot. So it's finished boiling. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to leave it to cool and then we blend. So I add it to the pot. And I have some coconut milk. I'm going to add it to it. Just give it a nice taste. Very nice twist to it, and then we're going to mix properly. No, coconut milk brings up any flavor, and we're just going to leave it to boil. I'm going to go ahead and cover that. Very creamy and nice. Look at that, delicious. So now I'm just going to set this aside to cool.
Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.